Okay, musical masters of the alphabet, we are going to do the entire alphabet together. That's line A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Okay, let me start my metronome. Don't forget to use your pointer stick or your pointer pencil so you can track it while you say it. Here we go, starting with A. 1, 2, ready, go. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A, G, F, E, D, C, B, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A, B, A, G, F, E, D, C, B, C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, B, A, G, F, E, D, C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, D, C, B, A, G, F, E, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, D, E, D, C, B, A, G, F, E, F, G, A, B, C, D, E, F, E, D, C, B, A, G, F, G, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, F, E, D, C, B, A, G. Phew, that takes a lot of time, doesn't it? Okay, a couple reminders. Were you sitting in ready position? Feet flat, back straight, high knee on the hump. Were you tapping your foot? Okay, we have to make sure that we're tapping our foot to the steady beat while we say our musical alphabet. And lastly, did you say it smooth and connected or was it all choppy? Things to think about. Good luck. I know you guys will soon become musical masters.